right here.
Yeah. Is that those see the dead leaves right there? Are they going to be in your way, you think?
Well, I cannot shoot from there.
What about this side? Oh, if you do that, you're not behind it. Oh, so if you're where Emily is, then they definitely won't matter.
If I lay down, I could shoot right through here.
Well, I don't want to be in front of your gun to video. And I don't think I can go much further back than this if I'm going to videotape it.
What if you're on this side?
I can't see.
See right here, Dave, you have a shot.
I need to be behind a tree.
I mean, if you want to be... Oh, yeah, I can do that.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
We can't all die at the same time. It'll be inconvenient.
Yeah, someone's got to collect the insurance money. Yeah, this is fine.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Wait, if Richard dies, our kids are beneficiaries. If we die, our kids... If the three of us die, our kids are well off.
I hate to tell you this, I haven't updated anything since Andrew was born, so Andrew's going to be pissed if I die. I knew that.
Hope you didn't hear that, Andrew.
50 yards.
Are we on?
We're on live.
Oh, well,
Here, say it on video that it needs to be updated.
Well, he already heard me, so at least he knows I didn't say, you know, fuck you. See, now you got to take it off, because I just used the cursor.
Further, but...
There's no alcohol involved in this, Tammy. Well, Richard, but Richard doesn't have a gun.
Richard's gun we're shooting. Who's Tammy?
Friend of mine.
Oh, okay.
Tammy, the ATF local enforcement agent.
Hey, y'all hear that banjo music in the background?
You'll be squealing like a pig if you get hit by shrapnel.
Oh, that's a perfect shot right there, man.
If you would feel better, back some. Still got a clean shot.
I think he's got the...
You have a nice berm. You can shoot from behind the berm.
I think he's got the tree, though, to block any...
Well, all right, so which tree do I get behind?
Any projectiles that may be sharp in his direction.
All right, well, the thing is, I don't have to see the target from the video. We just want to see the explosion, right?
Can you be on the other side of that tree?
Can I be on the inside? Oh, like between here? Oh, yeah. My ass will fit between.
Yeah, that's it. Well, actually, if you can squat down, you can... Well, I don't know if you can... That's probably not as good as I thought it was. You want me to clear some of that stuff out behind you?
I'm not getting behind Dave, Tammy. There's more explosives going that way than going forward.
All right, where's your gun?
Right here. Is that where you're going to be, Emily?
Yes. I'm between two trees.
You're filming with your phone instead?
It's on live, and then it records it.
You're doing Facebook Live?
Yes. I've warned y'all 3 times.
I know, but Richard said not to. I said not.
Well, who listens to Richard?
Are y'all staying right there, too?
Well, Richard, you need to get some type of coverage. Yeah, I'm looking for it. I'd go there, but...
That's just gross, Tammy.
It's I already loaded it.
Okay, yeah,
I'll take it off. Put the gun up that way. Is it packed tight, Dave?
What?
Am I safe here, David?
Yeah, I couldn't even get it all in there.
Okay. Am I going to be safe here, David?
You will be from me.
Well, you're behind his gun. I mean, you're in front of his
That's what I'm
gun.
talking about. I mean, normally
No,
I do this.
no,
Well, he's shooting way up there.
no,
You on live, Dave?
no,
Would you be safe here?
no,
You're good. Well, hang on.
no.
You're doing Facebook Live when I told you no.
Okay, go ahead and sit there. We'll see who ends up better off for it.
I'll come back here.
Thank you.
Not because I think I need to, but I'm just humoring you.
Tell me when. I can go.
We're waiting on you, man.
Okay, wait, let's take bets on how many shots it takes to hit the target.
It better only take him one, because I shot 2 deer with that rifle.
And how many shots did it take you?
One each.
No, how many times hunting?
Hey, y'all shut up. Y'all ready?
All right, here we go. Holy shit. I think you hit it.
Oh, I think he hit it, but he didn't. He didn't blow it away. He just blew into it.
Just blew into it.
How many,
Oh, and
how
I
many did you buy?
only bought one. They're 20 bucks a thing. I was going to buy more, but I didn't. So that's it, guys. We all survived. Actually, I'll go up and see what damage is done. I'm surprised. You didn't have your reader glasses on.
I didn't have to. I just flew. That was an easy shot.
Ooh, smells like...
What's that raccoon gonna cross over now?
hid behind this thing right here.
Oh.
If we do
Oh,
another
yeah,
one,
that
I'm
didn't do
hiding-
anything.
I'm right here and I'm videotaping.
Go into town and get some more. That didn't do anything. We could have dug that out.
Oh, that log is gone.
Yeah.
That log is buried in there.
The water was flowing better, though, when John was doing it.
Well, no, I mean, it just went back, but it blew in. It blew 15 inches back into the thing because it was to here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it blew.
It sounded like was a fire shot. It didn't sound like a big explosion.
It blew the logs out. So maybe
Where's the log?
It was muffled.
there was a big log across
They may
it.
not have heard it that much that way, but they probably heard it this
It
way.
shattered the log.
It shattered the log, yeah. So
Log gone.
y'all just gonna pull the rest of it down, or are you gonna go blow some more up?
That stuff is
Anybody want to vote? Hey, I got $20 right here. Someone wants to
I
go
say y'all blow it up. I'll go get it.
No, you can't. It's an hour and a half each way just to go get it.
There's not some at the feed store up there.
Well,
Well, if he just wants to give me 40 bucks,
That's a good point. You think they have it at...
Yeah, they may.
they gotta have some up at up at the
There's stumps people blow all the time, so they gotta have it.
10 a night, Tammy. I guess
Two
it's
of
similar to it.
Oh, great! They got me on video giving the
But,
money.
I mean, look, David, here's the thing. I mean, it was cool, but it's not... I thought we were going to blow the whole dam away. This is...
Pretty dense.
Wile E. Coyote thought he'd win too.
Well, no, I mean, I thought it was going to, you know, make this big of a hole.
That's what I thought too.
I mean, it did a lot more than we could have, but...
Well, I bet if you put it down in there now and hit it, it's just where it was its placement's what it's probably mostly
I
about.
know, but even so, it's only 12 inches across, and the B-roll, if we get the rest of this out, in 2 days, the B-roll will have it back up.
I know.
But, I mean, that's where I thought we were
So you need to blow it over there on the right and the left.
It'd take him a month, and maybe he'd give up, but...
You need to do the left and the right.
You can't just put it on top. It's not going to blow nothing.
Yeah, you gotta blow it from underneath.
Where's the three-prong?
That's what she said.
Back here. Are you going to tear it down now, or are we going to blow it up?
Well, I don't... If you can find some more tannerite, I can open it up.
I'll try to
Just
find some
blow
more.
this up.